Tinubu government is about to end. If Tinubu continue this way, Mbaka went ahead and said that what will happen in Nigeria will be bigger than what is happening in Niger Republic. Hello my people, welcome back to Balabas G's. If today na the first day where they come across this wonderful channel, what are you waiting for? Oya, may you rush now, go subscribe to our YouTube channel and also turn on the notification button for a quick update so that you're going to be the first person we're going to get our update as we dey drop am. Hello my people, let's go and look into the Ogbenge news where we'll get for our table today. No be small thing, no. A lot of things don't happen. Reverend Father Mbaka, hey, don't come outside, provoke for this viral video. Go talk say, if Tinubu government is about to end, if he continue this way. He also went ahead and explained how people lose their life during the time of changing of money. And he also went ahead and said so many things in this particular video. That is what is about to happen in Nigeria is bigger than what is happening in Niger today, which is all we all know what is going on over there. He said person where in house they catch fire, they pursue rat. No be smart thing. Okay, my people, we will go watch the video. Make sure say you watch this video from beginning to end and also share this particular video and also share it. So let's watch the video. We'll come back and continue immediately.
The poor Nigerians have gone to heaven and God have answered our prayers. Heaven, let me tell you. Hello? Heaven is watching President Tinubu.
Listen very well.
Heaven is watching President Tinubu. If Tinubu submits to the power of God, God will use him to save this country. If he doesn't want to submit to the powers of heaven, something worse than what is happening in Niger will happen in Nigeria. I don't know how, I don't know when, I don't know.
What
but under prophetic code, I am telling them, let them not think that Nigerians are stupid, Nigerians are weak. Because we knew a time, before you know it, it will happen like a thunder. Because it cannot continue like this. One day, a certain group of people will say, never again. Nigerians, leaders who are thinking about how to go to Niger and help the democratic government to come back and blah, 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 blah. You don't know what you are saying, Oh, you couldn't be on a choke. Your house is on fire and you are pursuing a rat.
Ask them.
Meanwhile, your family is inside the house and you saw a rat. You left the house that is burning and you are pursuing a rat. And those who set the house ablaze are coming with buckets of fuel. These Nigerians who are crying, think of what happened when they started nonsensically to change Nigerian currency. No more old one, new one. The new one was not seen anywhere. The old ones have been submitted to the bank. Somebody will go to the bank, you give the person 3,000 naira. After waiting for 3 days, many Nigerians died. By now, all those who did such ought to have been locked up. Whoever is supporting such agenda is satanic. That's why I'm saying, President Tinubu, Nigerians are watching you. Heaven is watching you. It's not yet over. The way you handle the sufferings of the Nigerians will determine the continuity of your governance. Nigerians are dying. Nobody could understand what is happening now. Many families cannot buy 1 cup of garri to eat. To buy 1 wrap of pap. To buy 1 bag of rice. 20 kg. Many are suffering, many are dying. Leaders stoop low and see the suffering people. Our governors don't think nothing will happen. Things can still happen spiritually. Don't say Father Mbaka has said. I have to say it before God will punish me. Because your idiocy has gone to heaven. What are you doing there? Are you there for leadership? Are you there for criminal endeavor? Or to perpetuate the anachronism of looting of the wealth of the country? What are you doing there? Are you there to lock up my people again? And prophesy that there's a time when our children will run away because of the horrible hardship in the country, because of the horrible mayhem, insecurity, poor governance, inhumanity of man to man, indescribable immorality, and unquestionable disaster in the spirituality. Because of manifest unemployment. For example, during the election, those who want to become governors, presidents, and whatever, local government chairmen, House of Assembly members, House of Reps members, those who want to go to the Senate, they will import guns and bullets. They will share to our young unemployed men and women to use these hazardous, toxic, destructive equipments to win elections for them. Of course, rigging. After the election, the so-called election saga. After the so-called election saga, they will not be able to return the guns back. They have empowered the youth with the guns to kill their opponents after the election. Instead of these people thinking about creating jobs for these people, they will leave them with their guns. And banditry becomes the order of the day. The same people who gave them guns will be calling the young men hoodlums. Hoodlums, bandits, what else? Terrorists, unknown gunmen, kidnappers, armed robbers. As if to say they don't know them. Instead of giving them jobs, they gave them guns. When will Nigeria be okay? It is a sign of locking their destinies. Locking the destinies of their youths. But I want to tell you, when God is involved, when the Holy Ghost is involved, how the emancipation will come, nobody will tell it. How the liberation will come, nobody will understand it. How the freedom will come, it will test everybody. It will be so astonishing. It will be so miraculous. It will be amazing. It may be so sporadic. It may be an activity that will happen like a lightning. Before you know it, it will happen like a thunder. Because it cannot continue like this. One day, a certain group of people will say, never again.
Yeah, my people, as you have heard everything that Reverend Father Mbaka said in this particular video. So this message go to the president of Nigeria, which is Bola Ahmed Tinubu, the sleeping president. Wahala. Okay, guys, as you don't hear them now, you know, say the other countries for Africa, they say Nigeria no if you do anything, say the youth are lazy because of what happened during the EndSARS. Remember that the youth have opportunity to change the country for their own good. But unfortunately, they raise a hoodlum added in the midst of them, and they leave what they are doing and start looking for palliative. After the incident that happened in Tollgate, everybody now become weak. But this is not really a freedom movement, because in a movement of freedom, there is a heavy price to pay. A heavy price to pay in a movement of freedom. If you think it's just to carry a placard and shout we need freedom, it's over. This government that we see in Nigeria don't understand that. You can never get your freedom or the good life you want to live in Nigeria by protest. I'm telling you guys the truth. You know, when you speak through in Nigeria, the DSS, they will say you are instigating violence and this one, that one. They will be looking for you to suppress you. The way they are arrested Nnamdi Kanu, thinking that maybe everything will come down. Maybe they can, by arresting Nnamdi Kanu now, they will now go and fire ESN. But they have tried so many things they have do to stop those guys. More people are even standing up to talk. So they holding Nnamdi Kanu, they did not even stop the 1/4 of it, of what is going on in Southeast, especially today. So suppressing people is not the solution of the problem. So the people have to, the youth, when you want to set yourself free, there will be a heavy price to pay. So that's why all other African countries are laughing at Nigeria's youth. It's good we are doing well in all session in entertainment industry, in music, in everything, but Nigeria are living in pains. If your opportunity, your opportunity today to get money to eat, you can eat. That some people out there that even maybe they eat once in a day, and garri become their delicious and their best meal. Garri, soaking garri become their best meal. So if you have a platform where you can tell people the truth, please do it and tell people the truth, so that people will stand up and ask for their demand, ask for their right, fight for their right. Very, very important. We can't continue this way. Rice, everything has skyrocketing. Do you know how much is a bag of cement in Southeast now? Almost 5,000 something. You know how much is a bag of rice right now? It's almost 50,000. So what of other things over there? That people cannot afford this. People cannot even afford this. Instead of using that energy going to Niger Republic, to why don't you use the energy to fix the economy of Nigeria? Nigeria is going down. It's going down, and fix it, because if people have no plan for the project that the British people set up over there in Africa, you don't have a solution to it. They set it for their own benefit. So how do you think that being a president, you can do it more better? You can make it okay. You can do it well. No, you cannot make it well. You can't do anything. Rather to be like other people that have been there before. So guys, we'll end this particular video here today, and we'll continue in the next episode of this great topic. So please don't forget to follow us and also share this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel.